Oh my goodness.
Yes, Eddie. Tim smiled self-consciously. Eddie could feel his heart beating hard in his chest. What does the number 19 mean to you? Kate considered.
Coming, I pulled out. When I realized what happened, I stomped the gas because I didn't want them to have to slam on brakes. But the guy in the truck honks his horn, comes flying up beside me, starts giving me the middle finger. Well, I rolling my window down because I'm going to apologize. It was my fault. What did Scoot do? Roll her window down to me. Come on, come on, come on, doing a little thing. Scoot, what the hell? Stop, roll your window up. I said, what is this? She said, making my scent, Dad. weapons you said, what are you running the game now? What do y'all call the mini tots? She said, no, we're the princess warriors and I'm the leader. You don't even know nothing about no game. I said, okay, how about this? How do you get into the game? She's like, well, we play rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and if you beat me, you get in. I said, well, I don't want to play. She said, you can't. You're a boy and boys suck. You know what? I'm gonna play a game too. It's called 1, 2, 3. Where's my ass? Cause I'm about to beat it off. Now y'all know I talk about Baby Luce. She got no F's to give.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Alarm. Oh, I just got rear-ended. Holy shit, yes I did.
Fleet manager testified that the ATM surveillance footage definitely showed a Ford F-250, just like the one that Shauna drove that night. As you can imagine, the mask ended up being a big part of the trial. Even though there was no blood or gunshot residue on the mask, it was a match to the mask that was described by the people who had witnessed the attack that night. And one witness actually recalled seeing something white underneath the hood. And as you can see, there's red on the inside of the hood, and it's definitely pretty bright. Now,
Went back in for 30 minutes, came back out, and it was game time. But I felt like we got all season. And teaches the different systems so we could, Al Smith, the all-pro linebacker, is working as a VP of pro personnel, and we're
this division is, and somebody's got to take it. Maybe a little on the Dallas Cowboys because they look different with Andy Dalton at the helm now.
They do, but you know they still got a lot of good football players on that team, and Andy's a good quarterback, and he's just got to get comfortable within the system. And as he continues to play more and more, I think you'll see better play from Andy. Just he's got to knock the rust off and get himself out there. And again, it's just it's one of those things. It's about reps.
we go. Here we go. Westbound, stop it. Westbound, coming to a stop. Westbound, stop. It's icy up here. I can't find a mile marker here, but we just got a bunch of accidents all at once. I got mile marker 110 westbound, all stopped. Westbound 110, all stopped. Westbound 110, all 3 lanes are stopped. Westbound 110, all 3 lanes are stopped. Westbound 110, everybody's stopping. Westbound 110, we got multiple accidents, all lanes are shut down.